Are you tired of spending hours creating timelines? You need a solution that saves time and enhances productivity. Introducing Office Timeline. This powerful tool helps you create stunning timelines in minutes. With the PowerPoint add-in, work seamlessly within your favorite application. 3 key benefits await. 1. Easily create professional timelines, Gantt charts, and roadmaps. 2. Collaborate in real time with the online version, no installation required. 3. Enjoy integration with tools like Excel, Google Docs, and Jira. What sets us apart? Office Timeline combines simplicity with robust features, tailored for your needs. Don't wait. Start transforming your project reporting today. Visit our website and choose your solution now.